for you were there to rescue me. Oh Lord my God, then fight for me. For you were there to rescue me. Oh Lord my God, then fight for me. Confidence, confidence,
my confidence in this life.
confidence, confidence,
My confidence in this life.
confidence,
My
confidence.
confidence in this life.
You are my confidence, my confidence,
My confidence in this life.
and I cannot be afraid. That's why I cannot be afraid. My God is mighty, man in battle, unbeatable goal. My God is mighty, man in battle, unbeatable goal. Though they may call me in the river, though they may call me through the mirror, they may call me anywhere. I am not afraid. Let them call me anyway. My God is there to rescue me. Let them call me anyway. My God is there to fight for me. Unchangeable God, reliable God. Heaven da very moon, heaven da very moon, heaven da very moon, heaven da very moon. Jesus. Many times the devil has planned against my life. All he plans to eliminate me, to eliminate me, to eliminate me. Oh, all he plans to eliminate me, to eliminate me, to eliminate me. Oh, for my God students say no, my God students say no, no one no, no one no, no one no. Touch and not touch no man. I say that to my prophet, to my prophet, do no harm. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can challenge Jehovah? Who can contest with my God? Unbeatable God, unbeatable God, unbeatable God, unbeatable God. Alpha and Omega, reliable God. Heaven da very moon, heaven da very moon, heaven da very moon, heaven da very moon. Confidence, confidence,
Confidence in this life.
oh, confidence,
My
confidence.
confidence in this life.
You are my confidence, confidence.
Confidence in this life.
Oh, confidence, darling,
My
confidence.
confidence in this life.
When the sun ceases to shine, darkness covers the world, bigger darkness everywhere. Father, you are my light, you are my light in the darkness. The light I used to see, the light of my footsteps. Oh, Father, you are my guide, ocean divider, lily of the valley, I am the Raya, beginning and the end, pillar of my life, giver of my life, honor of the souls, honor of my soul. I don't know what you're passing through. Troubles may be around you, trials everywhere. Put your trust in the Lord. Put your confidence in the Lord.
You are the reason why
Your family may have failed you, relatives abandoned you, friends disappointed you. The Lord is asking you a question. Can a mother forget her sucking baby? Even though her mother made you, but I, the Lord, cannot forsake you, says the Lord of hosts. You may be a man of God, an ambassador of Christ. Troubles all around you, problems everywhere. Don't be discouraged, for the Lord cannot fail.
My confidence in this life.
Father, confidence, my
My
confidence.
confidence in this life.
Jehovah, confidence, your
My confidence
confidence.
in this life.